What's good? This is weird because I've never had my wife record, but I feel like this is way better than me being like, hey, zoom in a little bit, you know, I gotta lose a little bit of weight, you know what I'm saying? If you guys look right here, these headlights, do you see this cloudiness? Do you see it? This right here bothers me so much, for real, like, it just takes away, but besides the lip too, but I mean, like, that's gonna get situated soon.
I mean, at least someone stopped, like, they stopped you and they're like, oh, clean car, dude.
Oh, yeah. Shout out to that dude down in Austin, bro. I appreciate you. You stopped by, you said what's up, you said I had to clean this EMO you ever see. Oh my God, stop, bro. But no, it's not. All right? Do you not see these cloudy ass headlights, bro? Okay? Or these damn, peeling paint? Do you not see that? Huh? It's not clean, bro. It's clean, kinda, but
the body's
clean. Damn, wait, hold on.
Yeah,
that again?
See?
But I don't even detail my car. I'll put this thing through a $3 car wash down here in Rancier. You know what I'm saying?
Boom.
Hey, it's whatever though. So it's got its deficiencies. Like right here, you can see the paint chip. This is already a really long intro. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I bought. So pretty much I went on eBay. I found, like, I would say like the best quality. Like it wasn't like super cheap, but yet it wasn't like super expensive. All I was looking for was adjustment as far as like where I can adjust my headlights. Because the number one problem I had with these is they're non-adjustable. That's why I knew that they are not OEM. So what I did was I got the closest thing to OEM. I think I ordered clears, if not like a chrome housing, but it should be the same. Anyway, so this is what they look like. They were, I believe they were like 65 or 70 bucks on eBay. They look really good actually. There you go. Really clean. But the best part is the adjustment is actually functional. I think you just put in like a Phillips and then you start screwing around with this, but I guess we'll find out in a bit. They said that they're fully tested, weathered, and can you go away? Nah, I'm joking, I love you. But anyways, they said that they're weather tested and like sandblast, I don't know, like they go through rigorous training. And yeah, so we're gonna put that to the test and see what's up, see how long it takes for them to fog up, and see whether or not I recommend these. It's sturdy material. It doesn't feel like it's super plasticky. I think it's gonna do a great job. So anyways, first step is to remove the bumper, and I don't have any light, but if this thing focuses, you can see a little bolt, or it depends. Like if your thing's ghetto rigged like mine, it'll have a screw or a bolt, but if not, you'll have clips. So I'm pretty sure I have bolts or whatever. Anyways, you're gonna get them on both sides. Once you get that done, all you're gonna do is get you like a flathead or a clip remover. I'm not Chris Fix, so I can't afford any of that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the ghetto way to do it. Really simple, really fast. Pop these out. Once you pop all of these out, everything is pretty much just gonna come off of the car, and all you're gonna have to do is take this bolt out, and if you're me, just this one, because this car's been crashed. Anyways, it won't have this because it's crashed, and I don't know how the other ones are gonna mount, but anyways, you're just gonna take that one off, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you do this correctly, your car can look like, and that's what it looks like right now. I think it looks sick, man. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is use a 10mm ratchet or socket, whatever. Well, it's the same thing, goddamn. Yeah, get this out, They're all 10s, all right? Get this one out. And if you have this one, get this one out, but I don't have it, so deal with it. Once you get those out, what you're gonna wanna do now is take your bumper clips off as well as your grill. So you pop them off. I mean, I use this because I ain't Chris Fix. Like I said, I ain't got none of them crazy specialty tools, but they're easy. You pop them out, then you know, start doing this. Some of them are hard. I'll skip over that and edit it, but whatever. They'll pop out eventually. But yeah, that's what you do. Boom. Next thing, if you have clips, if you have an OEM car that's never been modified, you will have clips. It's super easy to pop off. I do not. I don't know what I have here, and I'm gonna find out. So, on to the next step. So, if you're lowered like me, you're gonna want to turn your wheel. I am not the lowest guy at all, but let me tell you something, brother. All right? I can't even fit a pinky in here. All right? And I'm monster truck status. I mean, do you see this? But anyways.
Yeah, so monster.
Chill out, dude. I'm sensitive, man. Come on. Nah, seriously though. Turn your wheel. It's gonna be a lot easier to access. If you're gonna do the right side, turn left. If you're gonna do the left side, turn right. and then you'll be able to get to whatever it is that you have down here, because I seriously do not know. All right, last bolt is gonna be right here on the fender, but I didn't have it because obviously somebody put some eBay stuff on my stuff. But anyways, what you're gonna wanna do is wiggle this out strategically. It looks so much better.
New headlight?
New headlight, old headlight. Now you guys see the difference.
Disgusting.
Alright, so pretty much this is what it looks like. After you put the headlights on, all you gotta do, mostly honestly, is just these two. But I forgot to tell you about the one that is inside right over here, inside right here, which isn't lined up, but I'm gonna get that lined up in a little bit. So you're gonna put that in there. Same thing with the one over here, and the last one right over here when it decides to line up. So I'll go ahead and work on that. But look, already huge difference. I mean, you can, wow, I look like a real clean boy. Okay, it's getting a little dark, but this is exactly what I was talking about. Pretty much all you have to do is mount 1, 2, 3, and 4 on both sides, and that's how you mount your headlights. Make sure you use the correct sizes. I believe they're 10 millimeters. And once you get that done, you're just gonna follow the steps reverse. So right now I'm gonna put the bumpers back on with the clips. Yo, and the craziest part is when you look at my bumper, this thing is held on by cotter pins or coat hangers or something. I mean, like, whoever did this is really, really smart. I would have never thought of that. Yo, deadass, I'm pretty mad because I just literally high pressure washed my entire driveway, and like all this rain here in Texas just completely messed it up. But anyways, don't mind the weird idle of my car. I don't know what's causing it to be like that. My tuner said that he bypassed the IACV, but it sounds like IACV to me. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I mean, I think it looks sick. Look at these lights. This thing looks sick, man. I mean, damn, that lip though. Besides that, let me tell y'all something. I need to adjust these hoes because I'm finna blind everybody on this damn road. I'm telling you right now, I need to get them a little bit lower. I mean, they look all right, but I need to get them a little bit lower. This is what they look like. Absolutely stunning. These things. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much the tutorial I'm gonna do for today. It took me about an hour, and that's like me messing with all my friends. You know, it's super simple. All you gotta do is literally remove the bumper. Once you remove the bumper, you're gonna wanna take the 4 bolts off of each headlight off, and that's literally it. It's so simple. I mean, you cannot mess this up. If you mess this up, I mean, you might as well stop on your build, man. Nah, I'm joking. Everybody deserves to be on their build, but damn, I look low, G. Damn. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me, all the likes, subscribers, all the comments and stuff like that. Keep it up. If you guys have anything that I can improve on, any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know, as I will improve and I will answer your questions. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.